Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and my family and I just got back from Aldi, and today I wanted to do a quick grocery shopping haul with you guys. This is a large family grocery shopping haul. We are a family of 8. We shop almost exclusively at Aldi these days because we can get a lot more food for our money there. So I get almost everything except for some household items from Aldi. This is a 1-week grocery shopping haul, if I didn't already mention that. So this will get us through 1 week. I used to do monthly grocery shopping. I've done 2 weeks at a time, and right now weekly grocery shopping just seems to work the best for us. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys what we got, and then tell you our grand total and give you sort of an idea of the meals that we're going to have this week. All right, so here is my table full of food for our family of 8. So I'm gonna start over here. I got, let's see, 12 yogurts. These are snacks for the kids. They eat them for breakfast, have them with their lunch. We got some ice cream as a treat, as well as some of these ice cream sandwiches. This is Mommy's coffee creamer. The cinnamon roll is so good. It's my favorite. Got some shredded cheese. 2 dozen eggs. I may need more than this. It just depends on how often I'm making scrambled eggs for breakfast, but we usually go through 2 to 3 dozen a week. We're going to have hot dogs one night, so we got 2 packs of hot dogs, and then these uncured Angus beef franks. We're going to have hamburgers one night, so we've got 1 pack of these beef burgers. I got some bacon, this is brand new to Aldi. It's a roll of ground beef. I'm going to use this for some spaghetti, maybe tacos. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do tacos this week or not, but definitely for the spaghetti. I've got some lunch meat. We got the honey smoked ham. This is chicken breast. Let me see here. A little over 5 pounds, almost 6 pounds of chicken breast. So I will be using that for a couple of different meals. I can usually get this to stretch through 2 meals. Let's see, we'll move on over here. This is just for a quick lunch for the kids. Some of these pizza snacks, they really like those. Those go quick around here. Any kind of junk food you see will not last very long among 6 kids, okay? So I have some peaches that I got, mini bell peppers for good for snacks, some romaine, Brussels sprouts. I cook these with onions and bacon. So good. Mini cucumbers, sugar snap peas. I love those too. Got some tomatoes on the vine. Those were on sale this week. Some aluminum foil because it's out. Baby carrots, and then 1 pack of strawberries. That'll be gone in 1 sitting amongst all the kids. I got some onions, and then a pack of paper plates because sometimes Mama just needs a little help in that department. We've got some cream cheese. I'm making bacon wrapped jalapeno peppers. That is going to be on the vlog and on my blog this coming week. This is one of my favorite snacks. It's so good. So be on the lookout for that. Some butter. I got some of this mozzarella. We have tons of fresh basil coming in, so I'm going to be doing a tomato mozzarella salad. Some of these singles cheese, and then we all love to snack on this stuff, the salami, so that stuff is good. Quick snack, these chips. Then we have some frosting. My daughter wants to be a baker, so we have a few baking items. For some reason this is over here, but we got some frosting for a cake, some maple spice oatmeal, some gum. The kids split that up. I got 2 packs of tomato pasta sauce for the spaghetti. I was out of onion powder and garlic powder, so I got some more of that. Out of olive oil, so I got some more of that. I saw this, and they looked really good. They're half sours. I don't know if they don't make sour pickles anymore or not. I remember I was pregnant a couple years ago, and all I wanted was real sour pickles, and I could not find them anywhere. I saw these today. I have no idea what they're going to taste like, but I want to try them. 2 gallons of milk. The babies are no longer drinking milk like they were, so we are not buying 4 to 5 gallons a week anymore. We're getting 2. Here's the baking stuff. We've got the white cake mix, and then I just keep the brownie mix on hand when the kids want something sweet. These are only like 85 cents a piece, so I keep those in the pantry. We got some macaroni and cheese, these cheese crackers for a snack, almond milk. They started carrying this again. This is my favorite iced coffee, so I got some of that. It's mocha flavor. 2 bunches of bananas, some baby soap. This is pretty cheap too. It doesn't have a pungent smell to it. Some sodas, 2 of these fruit punches, 2 of these chocolate chip, everything's upside down, chocolate chip chewy bars. My oldest likes to eat those. A package of spaghetti, another snacky thing, 2 chocolate chip cookies, some popsicles. We have 4 pizzas. We go through 4 pizzas for pizza night. We'll have pizza one night, and then we'll have the leftovers for lunch the next day. So we got 2 cheeses, a supreme, and a pepperoni, some paper towels, some of these mandarin oranges, tortilla chips, Gatorade. My husband got those. And then I think I'm going to finish off with our breads over here. We've got hamburger buns, 2 loaves of bread. This is normally what I get. It's only 85 cents, I believe, but they only had one left. There was a run on this type of bread, so I got that white sandwich bread as well. And then we have hot dog buns, tortillas. I don't know. There's only 10 in here. I think I'll probably just end up doing quesadillas for the kids for lunch one day, because I only got 1 pack. If I got 2 packs, we could have done tacos for dinner one night, but probably just do those for lunch one day. And then some crispy oats, quick snack for the baby, quick breakfast for the kids if they're getting impatient and hungry. And that is it for our 1 week Aldi large family grocery haul. Okay guys, so we have hot dogs planned one night, pizza planned one night, hamburgers planned one night, spaghetti planned another night, some sort of chicken dish. I have not been specifically making out a set in stone meal plan before I go shopping. I have been just buying things that we normally buy. So you'll probably only see these grocery hauls on here maybe once a month, because I get a lot of the same things every time I go to the store. I don't know, I'll probably find a fun recipe. We have a lot of Thai basil coming in, so I might try to whip up some sort of Asian chicken dish and try that Thai basil in it. I don't know yet, we'll see. We'll probably have chicken one night and then maybe like a leftover night or something like that. So that is what we are having for dinner this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more large family grocery hauls, large family life, homeschooling videos, I'm a homeschool mama. I love talking about homeschooling and all that kind of stuff. Just please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you around, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.